Hi students, I am Dr. Badrinath. In this video, we will see the S, P, S, S. No doubt, by seeing the picture, you might think that it is not related to pharmacy. Okay, it is related to pharmacy only. It is in the subject of pharmacy only, but it is a software. SPSS is the statistical software. Now, this SPSS is purchased by the IBM, very popular software company. IBM, you know very well. No need to introduce the IBM. Okay, see the IBM itself is purchased SPSP. Let us see what is the importance of SPSS, what is SPSS and all. It was there in your syllabus that we going to be see now. Introduction to SPSS. The software, it is the software name originally stood for. This is the stand for Statistical Package for the Social Sciences. SPSS. This is the name. Now, by reflecting the original market, now it is, see, here you can see the social sciences, originally introduced for the statistics of the social sciences. But now, due to its usage, okay, it is name is changed to statistical product. See, here also statistics, here also statistics. Here it is a package. Now it is called as a product. Just imagine. And service solution. This is the services solution. All are changed. See, social, service, science, solutions. Only statistics remains a constant. P is changed. S is changed. S is changed. Okay, you have to write in the examination what is SPSS. Yeah, both you have to write. Previously, why it is, now why it is, and how it is. The name. I will recommend the Pharma.D students, okay, or pharmacy students to go this software. Actually, SPSS is the 6 months package. Not it is. It will not be complete in either like this one class or two class. It is you have to go to the software company and you have to learn the package for a period of 6 months. Separate course is available. SPSS. Okay, in your syllabus they have given just introduction. What is SPSS? What are the various uses, advantages? How the software will be? What are the various versions? That and all you can write in the examination. If you want to go to enter into the software field from pharmacy, and if you want to enter into the pharmacovigilance, it is also now it is growing like anything, pharmacovigilance and the BPO, business process outsourcing. Most of the students they will call BPO. Nobody knows what is BPOs. If you are moving into such a fields, then I will recommend you to learn the SPSS for a period of 3 months or 6 months. That's your wish. This is the subject biostatistics and research methodology as per the PCI, Pharmacy Council of India, Pharma.D course, 4th year. Here you can see biostatistics. See, all these we have already completed. Null hypothesis, okay, level of significance, parametric tests, non-parametric tests, sign tests. All these we have completed. It's linear regression and correlation, all these tests we done by the hand. Whereas here you can see introduction to statistical software, SPSS. It is a one software. AP info is a one software. SAS, it is also one software. SAS, short form, calling as a SAS. See, all these softwares are the separate packages. 6 months, 6 months, 6 months, each package. Okay, so if you want to enter into software field, you can go and learn the packages and all. Okay. Yeah. This is the, see my cursor. This is the official logo icon of the SPSS. And see, this is the sum. We know very well. Sum means a total. This is the alpha. This is a divided by. This you have to write in the examination. Official symbol or official logo of the SPSS, logo icon V27. What is this V27? Very important. V27, see here, see my cursor, it is the recent version, latest version of is a 27. V stands for version, 27 stands for the number. When it is released in the June 2020, in this year only, it is released before Corona. Just 5 months ago. Just 5 months ago. Okay. But actually, it was originally initially released in the 52 years back. Oh my God. My God. 1968. This point you have to write in the exam. Initial release in this 1968, 52 years back. It is just 5 months back. See, latest version, old version, official symbol, version number. And operating system. Only write a Windows, Mac OS. OS means operating system, Mac OS. These numbers are not important. 86, 64, these are not important. Linux, PPC, okay. And the platform is a Java. Very important point you have to mention. Java. It is based on the Java. Okay. Ragi Java, like that. Okay. Ragi Java, Maltova. Okay, not that Java. This is a statistical data for computer software language. Java. Java is a language, just like a C language, C++ language. Okay, size is 1.2 GB, and the type, the software type, statistical analysis. It analyzes the statistics. Instead of doing all the t-test, Wilcoxon test, instead of doing by hand, considering null hypothesis, alternative hypothesis, performing the parametric test, non-parametric test, by hand you are doing and comparing the value with the standard value, and you are accepting or rejecting a null hypothesis. All you are doing by hand in generally. But this software, if you enter the data, directly you will get answer. Just you click on which test you want. You want a t-test, you just enter all the data and click on the t-test. So directly you will get a result. Such a powerful statistical tool. This is a SPSS. Okay, statistical analysis, data mining. This is also used in the field of data mining. This is a completely new words for pharmacy students. Data mining means just like a mining in the iron ore, you are digging the earth to extract the iron. Exactly iron what you want, that you want to extract. You are going to dig. Okay. Here also you have a plenty of data in the computer. You have a plenty of data from the patients from a big hospital. You want to dig the mining. You have to mine the data, exact data you want to extract for such a helping. This is one of the data mining tool. This is software. Statistical analysis, statistical tests, data mining, text analysis. How your text, given data is there, and you have to collect the data collection. See, you have a question, you are studying about the tuberculosis, you are doing a research on tuberculosis. Number of patients are there, tuberculosis patients in the hospital. Okay, what you want to do, instead of going to the each patient and writing the what is his symptoms and all, in this software you just tell them to enter their symptoms daily, how they are feeling, how much quantity of the drug they have taken, how much quantity of medicine they have taken, how many times they have taken. Like that, if the data they will enter into the software of SPSS, automatically you will get, that is called a data collection from the patient. Data mining, text analysis, data analysis, statistical analysis. Very powerful tool it is. SPSS. That's why IBM is purchased. Okay. And the license, it is a trialware is available or purchase version also available. Trialware is more than sufficient. You can download freely. You tell to your patients also to download the SPSS, and you can create one group like a WhatsApp, and you ask them to enter the data so that you will collect the data. Okay, it is a official website, ibm.com products SPSS statistics. Now, current version, you can see this is the current version. Posts after 2015, they have a brand name IBM SPSS Statistics. That brand name you have to mention in the examination, all these points. And it was developed by the normal man. You can keep in your mind as a normal man has discovered, has developed the SPSS software. Versions of SPSS. Various versions are there. It is a, I have told no, 1968. It is a very oldest one. All the versions need not to be right in the examination. Starting version, ending version, you have to write in the exam. Okay. This is the latest version, SPSS V27. It works on the compatibility. See that Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7. This is most flexible. You have to write all in the examination. Windows 2000. It is a recently released. This is the month. In the month of June. I already we know this is when it is June. See here June. Okay, June. Here also you can see June. On 10th June 2020, it was released. This you have to mention in the exam. Previous it is a 26, 25, 22, 22. You write only these numbers 22, 23, 24. 24 is not there. Okay, 23 is also not there. Okay, and this is a common, and release dates not much important. Only the latest version you have to write in the examination. Statistics included in these software bivariate statistics like a parametric tests, comparison of the means of a group's t-tests, ANOVA tests, correlation in the data, non-parametric tests. You can perform Wilcoxon ransom tests, Mann-Whitney tests, everything, all you can perform, not descriptive statistics is also there. Crash tabulation, frequencies, how frequently the fever is coming. Descriptive, explore the data, descriptive ratio statistics, and prediction for numerical outcome. You can predict the value, what will be the next. See, 100 patients, out of 100 patients, 98 patients got cured. What about 101 patient? Either he will become with cure or not. You can guess it. You can predict the output. Prediction for numerical outcomes, linear regression, correlation, prediction for identifying the groups, factor analysis, cluster analysis, discriminate. All these points you have to write in the examination. These are the statistics which are included in the basic software of the SPSS. Geospatial analysis, simulations, very important word nowadays. All are doing a simulation like a video game. You are going, your kid will be going, and just we are going to shoot, no, like that. We will wear the some goggles visually. That is called a simulations only. You can find in a big shopping malls. You can go and play that. Okay, and R extension, Python. Yeah. What is SPSS? SPSS is a window-based program. It's a window. Windows, you know very well. Windows. Okay. SPSS can be used to perform the data entry. Data entry. You can enter the data. You can analyze the data. Both. Perform data entry and data analysis. To create a, automatically it creates the software having a flexibility. See, nowadays need not to be take a graph paper, x-axis, y-axis, drawing a curve. No, just enter the data, and you click on the graph icon. Automatically you will get a graph. Which graph you want, that graph automatically comes. You can create the tables, columns, rows. You can create the graphs. SPSS is having such a power. SPSS is capable of handling the large amount of data, not only small amount, little, huge amount of data, entire all the hospitals data of the total India, total state, all TB patients or diabetic patients, whatever it may be. Huge data will be handled by the SPSS. It performs the all of the analysis covered in the text and much more. History, we know it is having a long heritage, long history, introduced in the 1968. Norman is introduced, was originally developed to facilitate the statistical analysis in the social science initially. Nowadays, all the fields are using SPSS, not only pharmacy, all fields. Early version is designed to run on the mainframe computers only. Mainframe computers, no, in olden days. Nowadays, it is applicable to laptops, tabs, not only computers, tabs, cell phone also, Android cell phone. You can perform all SPSS. Once upon a time, it was in a mainframe computers originally purchased by the IBM in the year of 2009 for more than $1 billion cost of SPSS. Okay. And generally what it is, it's having a capability of this software. It has a lot of great features. Import the data from many sources. See, such as a Microsoft Excel sheet and also SAS. SAS is one more software. You want to enter the data from the SAS into SPSS, automatically it comes. You can import. See, you can import the data. Need not to be copy, need not to be paste. Just you select and click on the import. Automatically, entire data automatically will be entered into the SPSS software. Microsoft Excel, you know very well. Excel, you have to open, collect the data, copy the data, cut, copy, and here you can paste. No, just you click on the import icon. So everything it is imported from SAS, Excel, any software it is compatible. That's such a great powerful. See, because you have a huge data, that huge data you have to copy and paste means it is a very biggest problem. That's why they have used the import. Okay, provides the analysis tool to generate the reports. Report need not to be right, and you can automatically it creates, it comes report, charts, plots, descriptive statistics, run in advanced statistical analysis. In addition to user interface provides the command syntax. It is one of the important word, syntax. It is a set of rules, just like a null hypothesis, alternative hypothesis. Set of rules. Okay. Simply certain things such as running the like that. It includes the full range of data management system and editing the tools. You can edit the tools also. It provides a depth statistical capabilities. In depth, you can perform statistics, not only on superior or superficial small statistics. Depth, very large statistics also you can perform. It offers the complete plotting. You can plotting the reporting, the presentation features. How you want to present it, either in the graph form, column graph, bar graph, or pyramid graph, or donut, or pie charts, any type you want, it within a fraction of seconds it represents. Uses of SPSS, data management, data analysis. You can manage the data. How you manage the data? Here this is, you can analyze the data. See, data management, you can define the variables I have already made the video what is variable in the research. Coding values, creating the new variables. See, in between the tests, in between your research study, if you want to add some new variables in between that, you can add it. That is a possible. Recording the variables, selecting cases. You want to particular cases, particular patient. You want to, that means that also it comes. Data analysis, univariate statistics, bivariate, multivariate. You can perform number of statistics. SPSS allow you to run the statistical tests, parametric, non-parametric. You can use SPSS for other purposes also, like data collection from the patients, organization, data output. How you want to create an output file, that also automatically it comes. Only the thing is you have to learn the software. Once you learn the software, automatically you can get statistical tests. Data collection and organization. I have already told you, if you want to collect the data from the patient, you just tell them to download, just like a Google form. How Google form is very easy now. Okay. In the same fashion, they have to download the patient, they have to enter their name, hospital name, which disease he is suffering, like that. So automatically you can cut. You go and write, need not to be go and write what is the symptoms, what is the tablets he used, everything. No, the data entry screen in SPSS looks much like any other spreadsheet software, like Excel sheet. Like that, you will get a big sheet, like in a Google form. Okay, you can enter easily. You can enter the variables. What are the variables? Okay, what is the data? Anybody can enter. Even it is a symbol also. Even patients also they can enter. Half knowledge persons also they can enter. No problem at all. Okay, you can organize your data. That is also important. Organize systematically. You want to arrange, you can arrange, it is possible. Okay, by assigning the property to different variable. For example, here you can see that you can designate a variable at a normal nominal variable, and that information is stored in SPSS. The next time you access the data file, which could be a weeks, months, even years, you will be able to see exactly how your data is organized. Now, how you want to, it comes flexible. Okay, before you entered the data in one style, now you want the same data in another style, it comes. Data output. Once the data is collected and entered into the data sheet of SPSS, you can create an output file. For example, you can create the frequency distribution curves of your data, determine whether the data is normally distributed, bell-shaped distribution, uniform distribution. I have told how the data is distributed. Okay, like that you can be find very easily. Okay, and you can export this data output what you have created from your data, directly export to the research articles. Suppose you are writing a research article on tuberculosis disease, you want to show the statistics of your patients in a hospital. So you have collected the data. That data you can write a normal distribution, bell-shaped distribution, uniform distribution. You can present it, directly export to the journal website. Don't write a paper on the pen, take photo and send. No, no, no. Directly you can export. Okay. Okay. To the journal, whichever you want the publication. Therefore, instead of recreating a table, recreating a graph, you can take a table or graph directly from the data output file. That is the main advantage. No pen, no paper, no graph paper, no running paper, no white paper, no pen. Everything is on the software. See, you can present like this, columns, and you can also present the any style you want. See these graphs, pie. Okay, this is a cut pie, just like your dil pasand, dil kush, dove shape, donuts. These are the columns, columnar and columnar, like that. Normal columns like this also, no problem. Whatever you want to style, All the icons will be available, okay, on the software. You just click on the select the data and click on the graph icon, so that automatically graph will come, okay. And statistical tests, parametric, non-parametric, very headache if you want to do on a paper by hand, and you have to compare with the standard t value, standard table value, very problematic. If you apply this SPSS, Kel khatam dukan band, okay, easy, very easy. The most obvious use for SPSS is the software to run the statistical tests. It allows the most widely used statistical test, which is already built in software, just like a calculator. In cell phone, we can do the calculator, no? In the same fashion, statistical calculator, scientific calculator, normal calculator, scientific calculator. SPSS is the statistical calculator. You can calculate the statistics. It is a father of scientific calculator. Okay, engineering students having a only scientific calculator. See, when you come to a pharmacy field, okay, and if you learn the package of SPSS, you have a statistical calculator. Okay, therefore, you won't have to do any mathematical equations by hand. No hand, only enter. That's it. Once you run the statistical tests, all our associated outputs we can create in output files, all the problems. Okay, directly you can export to wherever you want. You want to send to another hospital, send directly export SPSS. They will download. Okay, like this. Okay, statistical transformation also you can do. Data from one distribution to another, like that you can transform the data. These are the SPSS menu. No menu. Like in the hotel, they will give menu. In the softwares also, if you open the YouTube, there is a menu will be there. Any website now you open, menu will come. In the menu and icons, some symbols will be there. See, first see here, file. This is the menu, edit, view, data. All these you have to write in the exam like this. View, data, transform, analyze, graphs. See, I click on the file now. When I click on the file, again two are opening, pop-up, one pop-up outcome like this. When you click on the file, new, open. Okay, so when I put my cursor on the open, again here data, syntax, output, scripts, like that is comes. So what is the file? This is the file. File. File includes all of the options you typically use other program such as a open, save, exit. These three options will be available in the file. Edit, second option is the edit. Edit means we know very well. Cut, copy, paste commands will be there. All allows to specify various options for displaying the data output. The second one is the edit. First one is file. Now third one is the view. See here, view. View, if I click on the view, it becomes like this. It allows you to select which toolbars you want to show. Select the font size. How many size, font size here you can see the options are there. Font size, font color, add or remove the grid lines. Grid lines, in the graph paper there will be small lines is there, no? That is called a grid lines. You want grid lines without grid lines. You want the lines are simply plain graph. Wherever you want, in the view bar you can go and you can perform that. Okay, like that, raw data, everything. Next is data. Fourth one is data. Yeah, here you can see data. This data allows you to select several options ranging from displaying data, sorting data, everything. It is a data what you have entered. Transform, for example, here you can see, for example, from one variable to another variable, if you want to change, you can change it. can change the continuous variable to categorical variables. Change the scores into rank scores. Add a constant to a variable. Wilcoxon rank sum test, we are giving a ranks, no? That ranks you can do. Analyze. Next option in the menu is a analyze. You can analyze the data. Okay. However you want, you can be analyzed. Graphs. Which graph you want, it comes. See, box plots, histograms, line graphs, bar charts, whatever you want, it comes. Don't worry about it. Only the thing is you have to learn the SPSS. That is also, if you need, you can learn. In the examination, all these slides are very important. You have to write this running matter. And utilities, that is a last option. Okay, it allows you to list a file of information. Okay, like this. And add on, if you want to add any patient in between, you can add on programs. Okay, like that. And a window can be used to select which window you want, view window. Okay, SPSS statistics windows, these three are important. See your data, three windows will be there. See your data, see your statistical outputs, see any program in commands. Same only here. Data editor, output viewer, syntax here. This is the viewers of SPSS. Three views are there. However you want, you can see that. Okay, saving the data. You can save the data. Click on the save. Okay, save. Nowadays everything is software. Either you purchase a laptop or computer, or in a cell phone, Android, Google Android, you go and download the SPSS software. I think it is available in the Google Play. Okay, and these are the some of the advantages. Okay, friend lines and packages, GUI based program, quick descriptive analysis, most popular package for social sciences. It's a good for cluster analysis. Cluster means number of, it is very complicated to draw on a white paper and all. Okay, it runs on Windows, any software, Linux. Okay, Macintosh operating systems. Okay, it requires the annual license. Free also available. But if you want a safe data, you want your data to save, some you have to purchase the data. That is the main disadvantages. Okay, so I will end my session here. I hope you understand what is the basics, and these things only in the examination they will ask you. Don't go in depth. If you want to learn the SPSS, you go and just learn the special package like a 3 months or 6 months. Okay, for examination, this is more than sufficient. So I will end my session here.